Deputy Commissioner West Jaintia Hills District B.S. Solia distributed the draft electoral rolls for Assembly constituency of Narthiang, Jowai, Raliang and Mokayao to representatives of political parties. The Deputy Commissioner also launched the sweep awareness video on special summary revision enacted by Chi Yung. Briefing the representatives, the DC said the electoral roll is to ensure that all eligible citizens who have attained the age of 18 as on the qualifying date of 01/01/2023 get themselves enrolled. Meanwhile, in the morning, the Office of the Deputy Commissioner Election West Jaintia Hills, in collaboration with the Jaintia Hills Adventurers and Cycling Association, held a cycle rally with the theme Pedal for Participative Elections.